Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining me for this brief webinar about the power of Cloud PMS for hotels, faster ROI, and simplified integration. Firstly, I'd like to welcome all the hoteliers from across North America, South America, Europe, and Africa who have joined us this evening. And before we get on with the webinar, just a little bit of background about myself. My name is Vinod and I am a consultant with HotelLogics. I have over 10 plus years of experience in the hospitality industry, and I'm very happy to be a part of HotelLogics at the moment. So moving on, let's look at the agenda for the evening. So a few of the topics that we would be covering this evening. Firstly, what is the webinar about? Why switch to cloud? The changing market dynamics of the hospitality industry. Seamless automation across all departments of your hotel. The cost effectiveness of a cloud solution. Access anywhere feature. Be present where your customers are. 24/7 real-time support. Data security and collaboration. Higher ROI for your hotel. We will look at all of these topics in a bit more detail. So about the webinar. In this webinar, we talk about why we need to switch to cloud and what are the driving factors. Even before we get into that, what is it that we are trying to address? We at HotelLogics believe the challenges faced by medium and small-sized hotels are the same as any branded property or a 5-star property, only the scales are different. And hence, HotelLogics, as part of their mission, want to empower medium and small hotels across the globe to take advantage of a cloud-based hospitality solution. So, what does a cloud do for your business? It streamlines your business operations. It is accessible anytime, anywhere. It is easy to use. It offers you 24/7 support. It offers better distribution. It offers better data security and better collaboration. We will be discussing these in a bit more detail and why legacy systems are falling short. So, the most important topic, why switch to cloud? What is wrong with offline or legacy systems, or where exactly are they falling short? To answer that question, we need to understand the market, and we have seen that the market dynamics have changed. The most important driving factor is the shift of the marketplace from offline to online. So what does it mean for your business? It means that the customer who used to phone in for a reservation earlier is logging online, is going online and checking the same. Instead of going through traditional offline travel agents, customers are going through online travel agents like booking.com, hotels.com, expedia.com, and they are looking for travel reviews on listing sites like TripAdvisor and making reservations through that. So that's from a customer's perspective. From the hotel owner's perspective, where earlier it was impossible to market or brand themselves, medium and small sized properties find they're able to do it. This means their property is listed on all the OTAs, hence giving them better opportunity to connect and to harness the online marketplace. This has made the small and medium-sized properties more accessible, more available, and hence the property has become more sellable. So moving on to the second point, increase in mid-income travel globally, and how has this impacted the market? We have noticed that there's a drastic increase in the mid-income travel over the last couple of years, and hence the expectations of the mid-income travelers have also increased over time. So to give you an example, now when a person is looking to make a booking online, he wants everything from pickup from airport to champagne on arrival to custom packages designed for him during the term of stay, and any other activities that he might be interested in engaging during the term of stay. And all of this, he wants to make a reservation while he is online, even before he comes to the property. Now this is possible today, whereas if you are to think about 10 years ago, the same was not true. So this kind of expectation of such high service levels directly translate into the kind of system automation a hotel would need. With the markets moving online, there's a strong need for hotels to integrate to the online marketplace, and that's where the legacy systems are falling short. They are incapable of integrating to the online marketplace, resulting in issues like untimely response to customer inquiries, resulting in loss of business. And that is just one of the impacts of not being able to align to the online marketplace or to integrate to the online marketplace. And this is precisely why we say that an internet-based cloud solution is much better equipped to integrate with the internet-based market to respond to your customer requirement. And that is why, in conclusion, we would like to say that there is today a need for an end-to-end cloud-based hospitality solution. So when we are talking about changing market dynamics, let's also look at a couple of numbers to instantiate what we are saying. So we said that the market has moved online and people are making reservations online. So how many of them? As you can see, 148.3 million online travel bookings are made each year. 2 out of 3 global travelers booked accommodation online. So that's a very significant number. Moving on, when we say the market has moved online, instead of relying on reviews from your offline travel agents, people are now dependent more on social media. 89% of global travelers say reviews are influential, and 59% of social media users access their networks on vacation. So you can see how this can significantly impact recommendations and trip planning. And the third point, moving on, is that we see a drastic shift in the people who are traveling. In 2012, 217 billion of the 1 trillion tourism spent worldwide came from young travelers. And by 2020, 50% of travel spending will be attributed to Generation Y. And why is this important? Because these are the people who are going online and making reservations online, looking up information online, reading reviews online, and making all their decisions basis the online marketplace. So moving on, seamless automation across all departments. Let's understand what can be achieved with a good cloud-based solution. A good cloud-based solution allows you to integrate all your departments, be it front office, restaurant, housekeeping, and integrate all of your accounts all on one centralized cloud-based solution. A good cloud-based PMS or solution will also ensure that there is no infrastructure, no network wires, no servers, and all that you would have is one application that is running on the data center of the provider. Since it's on the internet, it's always available from anywhere and gives you real-time data which enables you to take decisions on the fly. Real-time distribution. Hotels usually have various marketplaces they sell to. Online travel portals, GDS, website booking engine, social media channels, corporates, and offline travel agents. All of these are end sales channels where they offer special rates, and hence the distribution of this is very, very important. It's very important to ensure that this particular distribution is not just efficiently managed but also managed timely. Cloud-based solutions are better equipped to integrate to these end sales channels, thus ensuring that you are distributing your rates effectively and efficiently at the same time. So, in a nutshell, a good cloud-based solution is able to automate all their operations, is able to integrate to the diverse marketplaces that exist today, is able to give info in real time to various stakeholders to enable them to take actionable decisions to improve occupancy and increase ADRs. And all of this available to the property owners on one centralized platform. This is what a cloud-based solution helps you to achieve. So what is the next thing that we would be looking at? Cost effectiveness. Cloud-based solutions are extremely cost efficient. Why? Firstly, we have the hardware cost to consider with offline solutions. You have servers that are installed in the property, you have IT staff, you have different systems, different number of terminals. With the cloud-based solution, you have zero hardware cost because you do not have any infrastructure at the property. All of your data would be stored in the cloud, and hence you have absolutely no hardware costs, no cost of upgrades. Again, all of the upgrades are free since it's a cloud-based solution. No maintenance costs. Usually the annual subscription of a cloud-based system is cheaper than the annual maintenance cost or the AMC on any offline or legacy systems. And further, no manpower cost as well, since it's an end-to-end integrated system, thus reducing the number of people required to manage the operations of that particular property. And all of this together results in ongoing cost savings. And the best part about the cloud-based solution is that there are no upfront costs. It's typically pay-as-you-go model. Cloud-based solutions can be accessed anywhere, anytime, giving you the ability to take decisions on the fly. It does not restrict property owners or managers to be present at the property to manage their everyday operations. And all you would need is a laptop or a tablet or a mobile device with an internet connection anywhere across the world, and you're ready to log in and to manage your operations. So here's another interesting topic. It says be present where your customers are. This is again in continuation of what we said about the changing market dynamics. It is very important for properties or for hotels or to be present where your customers are, and your customers have moved online. They're asking all the same questions online, which means your system should be equipped to answer these questions. Today, as we saw earlier, 2 out of 3 people are making their travel reservations through online channels. So, it is extremely important to have a system that can integrate to the online marketplace to take advantage of this dynamic which has changed. Today, it's not just enough to be present on a few OTAs. Your system needs to be in sync with listing sites, OTAs, GDS, booking engine on your website, social media platforms, the same way legacy systems are integrated or are in sync with offline travel agents and corporates. This is where we find that the legacy systems are unable to interoperate with the cloud marketplace. To give you an example here, even building a booking engine to integrate with the offline PMS or the offline solution takes great engineering effort. So now you can imagine the complexity that legacy systems are faced with when they have to integrate with the diverse cloud-based marketplaces. That is why it is generally believed that legacy or offline solutions have neared the end of the technology spectrum, and cloud-based solutions are the way forward. And this is especially more so true in medium and small sized properties where they do not have resources or manpower required to manage distribution effectively. With a cloud-based solution, one can avail of these increased opportunities and be present where your customers are. "24 hours a day, 7 days a week, real-time support." With offline solutions, you will always have to report a problem and experience downtime while you wait for IT staff to come and fix issues. With a cloud-based solution, it's instant as support is always online. Any concerns ranging from it could be training your new staff to developing custom packages or any real-time issues faced can be addressed instantly. This is one of the primary reasons why most medium and small sized businesses are shifting to the cloud. Apart from this, we also have demo videos and tutorials which can help you learn at your own pace and convenience. And we also offer multi-language support. So here's a very interesting testimonial, and we are extremely proud of this, from a managing partner, Sebastian Loeb from Le Jardin d'Ors, Morocco. HotelLogix is easy to use, and it is so easy to get help online by the support team that in a few days the whole team of our hotel, who were not IT minded, were already using the platform and loving it. We are just beginning with HotelLogix, but yes, we have to admit that as of today we are fans of it and its fantastic support team. So, data security and collaboration. The cloud-based solutions offers you much better security than any in-house offline solution, more so in the medium and small-sized hospitality business. We use the same encrypted protocol as do banks to secure your data. We have SSL, Firewall, and Audit Trails in place. We have real-time data backups that are done into multiple servers and in multiple facilities or geographies. So even if one of them gets damaged, backup servers will readily protect your data till the last second. And what we're talking about better collaboration with ancillary systems. We usually know that we use a lot of systems like CRM, accounting, HR, payroll, in addition to the property management system. So cloud-based solutions are better equipped to collaborate with ancillary systems like the CRM, accounting, HR, and payroll. Higher ROI for your hotel. So how does cloud solution offer higher ROI for your property? Let's see. After having discussed all of the above points, I think in summary we can say that cloud-based solutions help you achieve reduced operational costs, helps you achieve improved efficiencies, gives you anywhere, anytime accessibility, and offers you market competitiveness that legacy systems fail to offer. And what is it that they are failing to offer? It is the ability for small and medium-sized hotels to compete with bigger ones. And with the cloud-based solutions, we definitely have this advantage where because of all of the above factors, we are able to give small and medium-sized properties the opportunity to compete with bigger ones on the same level playing field. So in fact, another very interesting testimonial from our customer here, Mr. Dimitris Flemotomos, owner of the Hotel Vanessa in Greece. And this is a very nice testimonial on the higher ROI that can be achieved through Cloud PMS. Mr. Dimitris says, our bookings have increased by 200% since we started using HotelLogix, because our allotment is now always open for our online travel agents, and our guests always find a room for the dates they are looking for. This used to be a time-consuming issue for us because we had to be on top of our allotment at all times. So it's very interesting to note that people are actually deriving the kind of value that we are talking about. In fact, we did look at numbers earlier, and we are given to understand what a paradigm shift the marketplace is experiencing right now in terms of the market moving online, in terms of how seamlessly we are able to integrate with the diverse channels of reservations, with those special sales end channels, and how at the end of the day cloud-based solutions are better suited and give you higher ROI for your hotel. So in conclusion, I would just like to note that it's time to switch to cloud. So thank you one and all for your time today, and right now I'll open the forum to any questions you might have. And if in case you would like to email the same questions to us, you can do that, and you can send it to sales@hotellogix.com, or alternately you could give us a call on 214-245-4631, and we'll be ready to help you out. I'd like to thank you all for the opportunity provided to me this evening, and hope I was able to add a little bit of value to what you're all masters at, which is the hotel business. Thank you one and all, and have a nice evening ahead.